Hey y'all, how y'all doing? This is the third day on my eBay storage room. I just work a couple hours here, a couple hours there. Really not full time, but I got to get it done before next weekend. So y'all gonna see me out here for a minute. But it's the third day. I'm getting ready to. I'm prepping the floor now so I can paint it. Let me turn y'all around. Okay, first of all, I'm using this Zesna primer, 123 primer. I use this for everything. It's interior, exterior, and what it does, it seals and blocks stains. So that's why I use this on almost everything. Okay. Then when I get finished, y'all can see why I like Lowe's. I love Lowe's. I bought this can about a year ago. See how much it was? $144. I paid $30 for it. And I think I talked them down to $15. I'm not sure. But this is some of the best concrete paint you can buy. It's called epoxy seal. It's for concrete, but you can use it on wood too. See that? It's called epoxy seal. This 5 gallons. So that's what I'm using here. All heavy duty stuff. So, you know, it's a little progress. This is my third. I think I'm working on for a couple hours today, like I did yesterday. I just did this today. Then I'm just gonna paint the rest of the floor, but I want to get these cracks first and stick that paint inside of there. Anyway, y'all, I'm just showing y'all the progress. Showing y'all day by day progress on what's going on. Next time I see y'all, I might have that screen door put up. It's a black screen door. Instead of putting that door up, I'm putting a full view screen door in. So, yeah, I had that for about 10 years too. So everything I had plans for this room right here. But I never used the stuff, or I never did it. But I always pre-plan and get stuff beforehand. But anyway, y'all, this is Kevin. I'm picking in the hood too. Yeah. Peace.